Okay, so today we're going to be looking at how to solve the E question. So this is kind of one of the more tricky questions if you think about it, but not really. Let's go ahead and integrate this as usual. First, we have to convert this from, its fractional form to its index form. So put the integral symbol still there from 2 to k and of, that's going to be 3x to the negative 2 because you're just bringing it to the top. Now what you want to do is that your lower bound is 2 and your upper bound is k. So let us go ahead and integrate this. When you integrate negative 2, it's going to become negative 1. So it's going to become 3x to the minus 1 over minus 1. And because that's our only term, that's our final result. Let's add in our bounds between 2 and k. Lower bound of 2, upper bound of k. And they've kindly given us that results equal to 9 on 10. 9 on 10. Now, what do? Well, because we do know, unlike our previous examples where the bound is not equal to 0, we're going to actually have to sub it in. So let's sub it in. 3k to the minus 1 over minus 1 minus 2 to the minus 1 over minus 1 is equal to 9 on 10. I feel like we could take this entire term this side and do it a plus, but let's just evaluate this first. So when you do look at this, let's compute this first. So they want us to do 3 over negative 1 to the negative 1. That's what they want us to compute, right? Yes. And then this is actually equal to negative 2 on 3. And this negative gets multiplied by this negative to become positive 3 on 2. And what do we want to do after this? Well, we want to subtract it from the 9 on 10. So let's go ahead and do this on the same step. 9 by 10 minus the 3 by 2. 9 by 10 minus the 3 by 2. That's going to equal to your negative 3 on 5. Okay. So you can write it here. Here, you can write it as negative 3 over k is equal to negative 3 over 5. And this should start looking very simple to you guys right now, because now you can just cross multiply. First, let's just take the negative away. So 3 on k is equal to 3 on 5. Now that we've taken the negatives away, let's cross multiply. So that's equal to 3k is equal to 15. And therefore, k is equal to 15 on 3. 15 divided by 3, which is equal to 5. Done. So these are the kind of indefinite integral problems that they can give with, the k and the l's missing. Thank you for watching. Catch us another time.